Hello, my name is Icebird, and I am going to do something called um, vlogs. So you're gonna see me go to the mall and stuff to other people. Anyways, yeah, you can totally see the red cars and stuff. Yeah, this is my vlog. So call myself the ice vlogger. So yeah, let's just walk to the mall. I wonder if there's any cool merchandise. Like, is there anything cool? Like, oh look, I'm gonna totally go to the movies. I'm totally, not gonna, no, cameras. My camera sucks. Oh wait, no, it's not my camera. It's my phone. Sorry if this looks kind of awkward. Yeah, but we're gonna go to Best Buy. Well, no, we're gonna go there later. Uh, I'm gonna go later there. But first I'm gonna go and eat, and then watch a movie, and then go to Best Buy because there's stuff. I think there's a little bit of Phantom Foxy exclusive. Since there was this one guy, friend at the Frogies, and he was he made a video today, and it was called Flecked Funtime Foxy Best Buy exclusive. So I'm gonna go there. Oh, and I also got like a Walgreens exclusive. That red one, that red guy from Star Wars, the new one. Oh my God! Shut up. Okay, and again, yeah, it's cool. I wish I could put the best ring right now, but my dad says I have to go and eat. So, blah, 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 blah. Wow. This video is like already 2 minutes and 6 seconds long. Ugh, that's weird. Ugh, it barely even started. Just go to the third floor and stuff. Welcome back to school. I don't like school. Well, I mean, I kind of do, since school on my planet, it was cool and stuff. But then, yeah, it was pretty cool. So, yeah. Oh, look. Oh my God. Elevators. I wish I could find out what they can do, but wait, I don't care. I'm gonna go down one too. Yeah. Okay, I'm in, and oh my God, these people. Oh my God, people, get out of here. Finally out. This is cool. If you don't even know who those people are, those are people. So yeah, deal with it. I'm not telling you their names. Oh look, hot topic. Yeah, that's cool. Vandalism and stuff. Emo. Is there stuff? Stuff. Oh my God, stuff. Well, I don't care. So bye. What even is that store? Oh, I don't care. So I'm just gonna go and eat food. GNC. What store is that? I honestly still don't care. What are those stores? I didn't even name them, but still, I'm just showing them what. I really don't feel that hungry, but I mean, my stomach is rumbling a little bit. But I'm gonna get some Wendy's. Come on, get out of the real people. Yeah, Wendy's. Yeah, no. Yeah, Wendy's. Yeah. Sorry, but this sucked. That part sucked. Yeah. Sorry. I can't trust people. Can't trust part. Ferris wheel. Wendy's. Just ordering my food, but I'm just gonna walk around and do stuff. Security office. I got close into that. No, just come on. That looks weird. Get closer. No, okay, go back. Yeah. You could totally see it good, but why do they have a security office? I guess so people don't kill each other or something. I don't know. I wish I could fly up here and destroy everything, but I can't. It's illegal. I'm so. Well, at least I don't have to mess up. I don't have to fight pigs or anything. I don't know. I mean, I'm glad about that. I wonder when my food is gonna come.
Here you go, sir.
Okay, thank you, lady person. Whatever. Hey, you miscalculated your french fries. There's supposed to be 8 more. Oh, whatever. So I'm gonna stop it right here for now because this is gonna take forever to eat.
I'm fine.
I never ordered for this. Oh, whatever. Here, you can have it. Anyways, I just paused right here, so do it part 2. So
Here's your new
bye.